So welcome to Learn and Create Code. This is challenge 17, and we're going to calculate the sum of digits of a positive integer number. I'm just giving an example of 678 here. 678. We want to create a function that will help us separate these digits and help us add them individually, like 6 plus 7 plus 8, which will give us a 21. So we want a function to do this for us. And today we are introducing a new way to create our variables. We have been using var. I want us to use let on some of them. So let's just go through that. And let's use function. Function, we want to say it's sum of sum of digits. And then we're gonna take in our num. And what we wanted to do first is check if num is less than or equal to 0, and if it's like that, we're going to return not a positive number. And after that, we are going to do the following. So we want to change this number to a string first, because a string being a sequence of characters, we can then be able to manipulate it and separate those characters. So let's use let num string is equal to, so we use our num dot to string function over there, and then we want to initialize a sum variable so that we can store the total. Then let sum be equal to 0 over there, and now we're gonna loop through each character in the string using a for loop. We're gonna let I be equal to 0. I has to be less than the num to string, num string, not num to string, num string dot length there, and we are going to increase it by 1. I increase I by 1 after every iteration. And now we want to get each digit as a character. So we're gonna create digit be equal to num string I. And now we're gonna convert the character back to a number. So now let a digit, a new variable, let digit be equal to num. Now I'll change it back to n using number digit char over dig there. Let digit, yes, we want to change it to number by using this over there. So number value any to a number, an object represents a number of any kind over there, and then we are going to add the digit to sum. Go back, and then we're gonna add sum plus equals, then we're gonna add this digit there, and b after that b return b delete there, delete Then we're going to return sum console.log sum of digits there. 678, control save. Let's run this and try to fix any errors if we made some. Just 21 over there. Yes. Let's try putting minus 888. Why is it okay? Control F, and then can I clear this? Not a positive number. It works. And let's try 222. Let's try 1111. Control, sorry, I didn't save the script. Let's run it again. Yes, we get a 5. So this works. Now let us check the code copy solution. And looking at their solution, this is the difference over here. My solution was longer, and this one is better. This one is better as it is shorter. So it uses the var I of num string. So variable I of num string, this is our string that we have. So the top part of it is the same, or just this part. And then then we create a new variable here, digit. Then it is equal to pass int I. So this I, our character I, by using pass int, we now turn it into an integer. Then now we say sum plus equals digit, and this digit now has an integer value by using this pass int. So this is a way that a string to convert into a number. You can just read about it by hovering over the method that we just used over there. Then we can use it to calculate this again. Then we get a 21. It's working all right. You can try it with 246 there. We save that. Then we run it and it's working. So there are many ways of killing a cat, and this is where we should be going, looking for easier ways of solving a problem. So thank you. Catch you on the next one.